Back here at home now, meteorologist Kate Bilo is standing by in our CBS Philadelphia Next Weather Sphere. Over here on the East Coast, we are tracking a lot of rain, wind, and then some cold to follow. Hi, Kate.
That's exactly right, Jan. Yeah, it's not long ago we were talking about high fire danger in our area because of how dry it has been. We're finally going to get a good soaking, and we've had rain on and off all week, but it looks like today is the worst of it. It is a next weather alert, and it's been a while since we've had a forecast like this. Heavy rain and wind all day long, 1 to as much as 3 inches possible. I think generally it's about an inch to an inch and a half for most of us, but localized areas could see up to 3, especially in any thunderstorm that tries to form today. And last time we had over an inch of rain in one day in Philadelphia was way back on August 8th. That was 124 days ago, and we're likely to get it today. Now, we've been in a little bit of a break as far as any heavy rain for most of the early morning hours, and you can see that is continuing, at least in the city and nearby suburbs. We do have some heavy rain right now up toward the Lehigh Valley and the Poconos, and some kind of skirting the coast here. But what we have to wait for is a new low that's trying to develop right here over Virginia. The actual cold front with this still way back over the Great Lakes, and this will all continue to move through as the day goes on. So waves of rain, heavy at times, and the winds really picking up the pace as well. Here's the timing. Starting to fill back in as we go through the next couple of hours. We'll start to see some heavier precipitation, and then a line of downpours will likely develop by midday. And embedded within this line, there may even be a few rumbles of thunder. Any thunderstorm can produce strong gusty winds as well. And as that line moves down the shore right here by about 2:30, we could have gusts down the shore of over 50 miles per hour. And our next round of rain then loading up to the west. So 2:30, we start to see the rain picking up down around D.C. and Baltimore. That's all going to lift in just in time to really slow down the evening commute. I think the school buses will be driving through some of that heavy rain this afternoon. 6:30, it is still raining. And then as the cold air starts to rush in, we may see some snow in the Poconos. Looks like limited accumulations because this is going to be getting out of here pretty quickly. Once this moves out, the winds stay strong, and we'll be talking about the cold for tomorrow. So how much rain are we talking? Again, a widespread 1 to 2 inches of rain, maybe slightly less to the north and west, but most of us will pick up over an inch of rain. We may see some localized areas that pick up over 2 or 3 inches when all is said and done. Wind advisory will go into effect at 10 o'clock this morning. It goes through 8 o'clock, and it's for all of our coastal counties, Kent and Sussex counties in Delaware, and all of our coastal counties around the Delaware Bay and along the Atlantic Ocean in South Jersey. The reason for that is that line of storms and downpours moving through midday, and you can see winds here will gust to 40+ miles per hour along the coast. While we won't feel winds quite that strong in the city, in any thunderstorm that does develop, winds could gust over 40 miles an hour, and widespread by this evening, gusts to 30 miles an hour are likely. And those winds will stay strong overnight and into tomorrow morning as well, meaning we're going to wake up to some pretty brutal wind chills. And tomorrow, 10:30 a.m., it's dry, it's sunny, but still winds gusting over 30 miles per hour. So look at how it's going to feel. Today, temperatures are in the 60s, and it feels like it. There's not a ton of wind right now. Once the cold comes in, it's a sharp drop. By 7 o'clock, it feels like the 30s. By tomorrow morning, it feels like the 20s, and we're not going to feel much warmer than the 20s all day tomorrow. Certainly a day to break out the heavy winter coat. You won't need the umbrella tomorrow. You'll need it today. Today is warm at 64 degrees, but heavy rain and strong gusty winds all day. Thursday, Friday, Saturday, only near 40. The wind dies down a little bit into the weekend. Then we've got another chance for showers late Sunday, rain into Monday, and another chance for rain. But we warm up a bit early next week.